guys, welcome back to my channel. It is so hot already. It is 9 o'clock, but I'm gonna toughen it out because I really been wanting to plant, but it's been so hot. But I've been dying to make these, to put these together, so I'm gonna do that today. And I believe these are the plants that I'm gonna be using. I don't know if as I go I might change my mind, so we'll see. So let's see what I come up with, guys. Hey guys, so I'm gonna apologize for all the noise in the background because people are working on their yard, so I apologize for that. But I'm going to get started. I don't know which one I want to work on first. Okay, I think I'm gonna do this one first. So this is gonna be out on the out here. So because it's been raining lately, what I'm going to try to do now is do like 70% soil. 70% turfus and 30% soil. So that's going to be lots and lots of drainage, and hopefully that will keep my plants alive, because I am using cactus in this one. I'll show you what the soil looks like. You can see that there is a lot of turfus in there. You know, the day that I finally decide to make a video and plant, they want to make a bunch of noise, but that's okay. Okay, so for this, hold on. You just gotta see the top of it for now. For this one, we're gonna make this like if it was a chimney. I got this on clearance for $1. There's nothing wrong with it. I guess they just needed to move inventory. So yeah, that was a great buy. And this one has soft bristles, so those bristles are not bothering me at all. Let me loosen up the roots. So I'm very thankful that the majority of my plants are doing very well after all that rain. So super thankful. I wanted to go to angle like that. Okay, super cute. What else can I put in here? Let's look at these. These are so cute. The houses and these little succulents, they're so adorable. Okay. I don't know what else to put in here, but think about it. Pretty good. Have you guys been getting a lot of heat? So we got a lot of rain, and then we got heat, lots of it, but I'm not going to complain about the heat because that rain there, I can't complain from either. Because, well, other plants that are not succulents need the rain, right? Very tight in there. Okay, cool. Oh, I forgot one right here. Okay. Oh, this is so pretty. Imagine just one filled with just these. That would be really pretty. I think that would be nice. I got these a long time ago and I still haven't planted them. Hey, hey, hey. No, Max. Maxie, no. She's trying to drink the water from the pool. She needs to go inside and have a drink. Okay, let me. Hey guys, so I am done. Unfortunately for the second one, I ran out of space to record, so I have to go back and delete some old videos. So anyways, here it is. I think it came out super cute. As always, I will take pictures. I really like the way it turned out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Bye guys.